How to play Repo with randoms. In today's video, we'll show you how to play Repo with random players. Whether you're new to the game or just want to dive into a match quickly, here's a step-by-step guide to get started. First, launch Repo and head to the multiplayer or quick play section, and this is where you'll be matched with the random players online. Once you're in the multiplayer menu, select the Play with Randoms option. The game will automatically search for available players and create a match for all of you. This may take a few moments depending on the server load, and it's a pretty quick process. Once you're in the game, pay attention to the team dynamics. So even though you're playing with randoms, communication is key. Use the in-game chat or voice chat to strategize with your teammates, but be aware that not everyone may be responsive, so don't let that discourage you. During the match, make sure to focus on the objectives and work with your team to outplay the opposition. Even though it's a random group, you can still win by collaborating effectively. Keep a cool head even if your teammates aren't as coordinated as you'd like. Teamwork and persistence are your best assets. Thanks for watching.